Today on Retaily. Hey everyone, today we're going to be looking for my cousin's slime. She says she hid it somewhere. She wanted me to find it, and when I find it, I can play with it. So, I'm really excited. So, I'm sorry, you guys. I messed up so bad. I said Bertelli instead of Mia Bear. I'm so sorry. Forgive me. But yeah, let's just go start looking for the slime. I was on my comfy little bed. Memory foam. Let's just see where she hid it. First, let's look around in the room that I'm in. Under the bed. Don't see it. We're going to the living room. I don't see it under there. See it. I don't see it, guys. She must have hid it in a really good hiding spot, or she took it. Under the bed. Under the bed. Let's see it. Behind the couch. I don't see it. I don't see anything over there as well. Is there anything behind Santa Claus? Let's look in the kitchen now. Stop. We're leaving this place. Oh my gosh. She left her tablet here charging. I just charged it and she just left as well. And to get to that, I don't see anywhere where she can hide it. I'm going to ask my grandma to see where she knows where is it. Hold on, let's check this box. Have you seen it, Sophie? She can't hear me. You seen it, Sophie? Nope. I'll come back to you and ask my grandma and see if she can. So, hold on. So, guys, she actually took it. So she tricked me, and I have her tablet so I can tell her mom to see if she actually took it or if she didn't. I can tell her mom. But I don't want to go into her stuff, so I'm just going to leave it. So, yeah. So she lied to me, and she tricked me. She pranked me. Oh my god. But we have it in the bathroom. Maybe it is in the bathroom, I don't know. You never know. In the shower? The toilet? No. I hope you enjoyed her tricking me, or not tricking me, because me trying to look for her slime. She actually took it. I've been pranked. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure, I'm gonna try something. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and as always, peace out. And as always, peace out. Bye.